Good morning, everyone. It is currently about 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. I just kind of got this tree coming down by accident. I was showing the HOA how it's kind of damaged. I pushed it and it fell over, so typically Derek and I were going to take that down today, but that's okay. He'll be here any minute, and we're going to get rocking and rolling on the first landscaping job at my place. Hope you all want to follow along, and let's have a great day. Alright, what's going on, Derek? How we doing?
Hey buddy, I'm alright.
Alright. Should I get to work?
Get to work.
Alright, let's get to work, guys. My buddy Derek bought me one of these Kershaws after a recent Instagram post where I had somebody else's, but like, just take a look at that, like, ooh, it's crispy. I'm gonna be putting this thing to work. Thanks, buddy. What's going on, guys? Little vlog here. How's everybody doing? We're here with Derek. How you doing, Derek?
Hey buddy, I'm alright.
Alright, where are we headed?
Wherever you tell me.
Alright, so we're headed to our next job over in the other neighborhood. You guys have actually seen this property. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner, as well as linked in the description down below. Let's go. Let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Well guys, we made it to the job. Currently working on it right now. Got Derek back there. Say hi, Derek. Where are you?
Hey buddy.
What's up, man? So we're currently just cleaning everything up. Let's turn you around and check it out. All right, so we got all these grasses cut back. We're just raking everything up. All the bed edges are done. Just cleaning everything up. We're gonna rake it all up onto a tarp and onto the trailer it'll go. Anyway, guys, looking through here, got pretty much everything raked up, going through here. Looking good. We cut back a bush and just kind of cleaned up that area that was dead. Then coming around the back, we got nothing. But when you get to the other side, show you real quick, we got a bunch of those pampas grasses or whatever they're called. We got those cut back. Now we're gonna rake them up. They were already flopping, so we couldn't duct tape them off like I like to do. So just get raked up onto a tarp and onto the trailer it goes. So other than that, guys, I hope everybody's enjoying following along. Let's get more work done.
Careful. You alright?
Making good time.
You got good help.
Yeah.
Guess you could say it's a headbanger.
right, man. How do we do? Got it done as always, right?
As always.
As always. Let's check it out, guys, because as you can see, as always, the landscaping is looking mega fresh. Let's check it out. Well, you know, Derek, it's always something around here, huh? What are we doing now?
Taking stuff out of here.
Yeah, look at this, guys. We finally got the garage straightened up here. We got all this space cleared up just by taking this out. So Derek and I are gonna eat another sandwich. It's lunchtime again, and guess go wash our hands.
Make sure you don't get corona.
Exactly. Gonna get some water and drive the state of Maryland delivering furniture.
Yeah.
Oh man. Well,
Landscaping included.
you know, I mean, do what you got to do. You need space in the garage. You get it cleaned up. You know. Oh well. Hope everyone's having a great Saturday. We're finishing up today. It was a long day. Got everything done though, so can't complain. You can see my landscaping back there. It's looking mint. We did a little bit of everything.
Better than mint.
Yeah, that's true.
It is fresh.
That's good. That's right. That's true.
Fresh as fresh farm eggs.
Exactly. Maybe. Yeah,
Maybe. Yeah.
That's fair.
Fair.
You know, it was a busy day. We got everything done. Got the garage a little bit cleaned out with all that furniture. Drove all over Maryland, moving furniture around, and now we're gonna kick back and relax, eat some food, and put together some more estimates. So
Sounds like a good night.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like. And with that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.